If you go live and nobody shows up, or maybe just one or two people come in and leave, this is exactly how to get your first 10 real viewers in your live. A lot of entrepreneurs feel stuck right here. They go live, they wait, they look at the screen, and nothing happens. No viewers, no comments, no movement. And it feels like maybe this just isn't working. The problem is not your live. The problem is there's no build-up before your live. I've seen this over and over again. Creators go live with no plan before, and no posts, and no reminders, and no reason for anyone to show up. So of course, nobody does, because no one knew about it. Your viewers don't come from the live itself. They come from what you do before the live. So let me walk you through the step by step. Don't go live just to talk. Go live to solve something. For example, how to get more viewers on your live. How to feel more confident showing up online. Now people know why they should show up. You're giving them real reasons to show up. So don't just go live randomly. Choose a time. Tonight at 7, tomorrow at 6, right? Now it feels like something real. Now people can actually plan for it so they can show up. This is where most people actually miss it. You need to tell people, I'm going live later and here's what I'm going to show you. Post it, say it, remind people. This is what's going to build attention. Go into other lives, comment, engage, be visible. Now people will start recognizing you. So when you do go live, they're more likely to check you out. When someone joins, say, if you're just joining, I'm going to show you how to get more viewers into your live. Now they understand right away. And when people understand, they're going to stay. Your first few viewers don't all come at once. They come over time. So stay on, keep talking, keep engaging, and give your live time to build. So if you want your first 10 real viewers, here's what you need to do. Pick a clear topic, set a time, talk about it before, be visible, start strong, and stay consistent. Once you get your first 10 viewers, then it's going to start growing. Then it's going to build, and then it's going to become a lot easier. If you're ready to stop going live to empty rooms and you want a real step-by-step plan to get more viewers into your live shows, I created something for you. It's called the Get More Viewers Challenge. It's a 5-day live training where I show you exactly what to do to grow your audience, and you'll get simple, real steps that you can start using right away. It's only available for a limited time, so if you're serious about growing your live shows, check it out. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.